Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a route on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on your screen, you can see options like search bar, explore, go, saved, contribute and updates. Right above updates, on the bottom right corner, you're going to find direction option. There you have to choose your starting point and your destination. Once you do that, Google Maps is going to give you a few routes. Select a route. Then all you have to do is once you select the route, there are three options on the bottom of your screen. They are preview, steps and pin. Go ahead and select the pin option and there you go. The recommended route is pin. Tap on show. Then it's going to take you to go option on the bottom of your screen. Then to start it, all you have to do is select the pinned route. Then tap on start. And guys, that's it. That's how you pin a route on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.